Now we will see how the teacher is going to put the material, how the teacher is properly going to create the material and organize the things. So whenever the teacher has to do anything, so they will need to enter in through the edit mode. Now because it was a 2 week course, so it is showing us, but no material is there. So in this case we will enable the edit mode. The moment we are going to specify the edit mode, for first week it is specifying what you want, whether you want to add activity or resource, and then for second also it is going to specify whether you want to add activity or resource. So we are going to click on plus. Now please remember, activities mean the things the student has to do. Resources mean that what we want to provide the resources, whether PDF file, that type of things. So we can categorize that also. That means we can give some file, we can, if we have multiple file, we can specify the folder also, or simple we can create one page, or we can specify certain URL like a YouTube video link, or we can upload some video type of things, so that we can specify in resources. Then activity which the student has to perform, where if they want to chat with the teacher they can use this. Then lot of other things are there, form is there, lessons are there, quiz are there, survey, workshop, lot of things are there. That means according to your need you can specify those type of things. So here in our case we will be looking only at the few, because our purpose is to give you the introduction about these things, so that you can get started with the Moodle. So these are the different things that we can do. Please remember, the quiz feature is very powerful in Moodle. That means you can create very professional quality quizzes in using Moodle. Then some other things are also, or what you can say, all. If you are finding that some type of resources are not there, that type of, then we have got plugins are there. That means you can extend the functionality of your, you can say, your Moodle. So we will be looking at few of these activities and how we can specify the resources. Once we have done this, what you can do, we can, then what we can do, we can log in then as our student, and we can see whether that material is available or not. So we will be looking at that. And when we are going to click at the participants, so how many participants are there? So by default admin users is always there. So these are the users, and here it is specifying as which roles they are. So in our case we will be creating different type of material, and then we will see as a student user whether we are able to assess those type of thing or not. So in our case we will be looking at in detail all these things.